Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can delete your Google Cloud account permanently. In order to do so, here we are at google.com, and after doing some research on the subject, I found out that you can't truly permanently delete a Google Cloud account the same way as a personal Google account, but you can stop charges and remove access by closing your cloud billing account, deleting projects, and removing payment info. That's the key there. For an organization, you must cancel subscriptions, delete all projects, which permanently removes user data, or if you're deleting your whole Google account, that affects all services, so it's best to close the cloud billing first if you want to keep your Gmail and your Drive. And if you're an org admin, you must assign super admin to another user to delete your own admin account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra. And if you use our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Simply is a great bank, and if you use our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great bank, can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.